Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy low carb double chocolate pudding. It is incredible. It was actually inspired by my recent trip to the Netherlands. I tried a dessert there called Vla. You buy it in the supermarket. It's a thick chocolate pudding and it comes in all kinds of different flavors and it's pretty amazing. And I came home and thought I want to recreate it and make a low carb keto friendly version. So I've spent the past couple of weeks tinkering with different volumes and I've got a pretty perfect chocolate pudding, which is just, it's so decadent and chocolatey and delicious. And so I'm going to share the recipe with you today, and down below I'll leave a link to the blog post where I've got all of the ingredients listed. Everything is there for you, so click down below and you'll have the full recipe that you can pin, bookmark, save to make whenever you want this amazing chocolate pudding. So let's talk through the ingredients. We have got butter. I've got 50 grams of butter there. We've got 2 eggs. I've got 50 grams of chocolate. I've gone for 85% dark chocolate, so it's as low carb as possible. I've got a cup of milk. We're going to use half a cup of our cream over there. Just use any cream you have available in your fridge. And we've got cocoa powder and stevia. That is my sweetener of choice. Use whatever sweetener you like to use. And so now what we're going to do is get everything prepped, all the ingredients prepped and ready, because once we start heating everything up then it moves pretty quickly. So the milk is here in a pot and I'm going to add in half a cup of cream to that. I've moved the other ingredients aside for now and we're going to just add in half a cup of cream to our milk. And I'm just going to set this aside and we're going to heat it up soon. But first let's get the other ingredients prepared. Okay, we have a bowl and we're going to add into that our stevia. We're going to go for 2 tablespoons of stevia, but really depends how sweet you want it. And a tablespoon of our cocoa. This makes it double chocolatey and it smells rich and amazing. I like to give those just a little whisk together. Yeah, just like that. And now we're going to add our eggs in. 1 and 2. And we'll just whisk that together just to get a nice smooth chocolatey mixture. There you go, that's perfect and smooth. We're going to keep the whisk in there because we're going to use that as everything gets heated up. And the chocolate and butter, as you saw before, I've already got it all chopped up, but just get yourself organized, chop up some butter and your chocolate, have it all ready to go, because now we're ready to get cooking. It'll move pretty fast and it's good to have everything nice and prepared. Okay, I've moved over to the stove top. I'm gonna pop onto medium or so heat and just get our milk and cream mixture heated up. We don't want it bubbling, just till it starts getting nice and warm. So as it's heating up, just give it a little stir every now and again, just so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. And it's just going to cook until it's beautiful and warm, and then we'll mix everything through together. You can see it starting to steam up. We just want it a little bit warmer so that everything can warm together nicely. Another minute or so and we're going to take it off the heat. There you go. Okay, I can start hearing a little bit of bubbling beneath the surface, not boiling yet. We'll turn the heat off and we're going to mix through quickly now. Okay, so I'm going to whisk this and pour on my heated milk. Right, kind of keep whisking. It just starts to thicken up our pudding. Okay, now we're going to add in our butter. Needs a little help there. And the chocolate too. Oh, that's so yum. And I just keep whisking it through and the butter and chocolate will start to melt. The eggs will start to thicken. Okay, I'm going to leave that for a sec to just melt all together. Okay, saucepan is cleaned out. And now we're just going to pour all of this back in. Look at that river of chocolate. Yum. Get all those little bits out. Okay, now we're going to pop this back on to heat over a low heat and very slowly bring it up to a very gentle bubble to get it to nice and thicken up. Okay, I've got it over a lowish heat, and now it's one of those fun kitchen tasks where you just whisk and melt away, and you can see, oh, it's amazing. I love making this chocolate pudding. I've made so many different versions of it the last couple of weeks to just get it right. And if you do want it a little bit thicker, you can definitely add actually a little bit of cinnamon thickens up, because rather than using corn flour or one of the other traditional thickeners that are full of carbs, a little bit of cinnamon, just a half a teaspoon, makes an amazing thickened pudding. But you definitely taste the cinnamon, so if you like a cinnamony chocolate pudding and want it thickened, that is the secret. There we go, look at that, it's thickened up beautifully. We'll just turn the heat off. Oh, it's so thickened, look at that. We're going to pour it off into a bowl now. Okay, I've got a bowl over here waiting my pudding. Oh, look at that, yum. You can see it's thickened up beautifully, and it's just a rich chocolate pudding. Now you can enjoy this pudding warm. You can see it's piping hot. During winter, I imagine this would be a perfect warming pudding. Otherwise in summer, let it cool down, pop it in the fridge, and you have a cooling chocolatey dessert. And just seriously, look at that. Oh my goodness, it tastes amazing. Of course, I snuck a taste before. It's dark and rich and just pretty amazing. But that is the recipe for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and a comment too. Let me know when you've tried this recipe, what you think, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post where it'll have the full step-by-step instructions, ingredients. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.